So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You finish editing a photo and it looks amazing on the editing screen. Then you save it, open your basically gallery and it's fully blurry. The crisp details you saw in the app are fully gone, replaced by a soft, fuzzy mess. Blurry exports usually mean your export settings are set to lower quality or you are importing low resolution source images. So here's the thing. FaceApp processes photos on its servers, and the quality of the result largely depends on the quality of the original and the number of filters applied. So if you start with a low quality photo, you'll end up with a low quality edit. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix blurry export in FaceApp, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we want to actually check the settings, the general and all of this, save photos from camera whatsoever. Make sure everything is looking good. Also try to check the HD export settings, as I just said. Go through all of them settings, look for the HD labeled export space. Make sure everything is looking fine. Some basically versions may reserve HD export for pro users, as you see here. All premium filters, faster processing, no watermarks, and all of this. And also start with a high quality original. FaceApp can magically create detail that wasn't there. If your original photo is low resolution or heavily compressed, your export will be too. Also, edit once, then export. Every time you save and re-upload on an edited photo, you lose quality. We all know this. Also, make sure to turn off the data saver modes, and that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.